Clay emojis. When you get your clay, you're going to want to wedge it to make sure that all of the air bubbles are out. That means that you are hitting it into the table and making it into a ball. Take your two dowels on the side and roll out your clay. Pick it up, rotate, and roll again until it's the same height as your dowels. When you're done rolling your slab, set your dowels aside, grab your popsicle stick and carve your shape. If you're adding ears to your emoji, this is where you'll add them so it's all one piece. Take your pencil, carve a hole so you know where the top is and you can hang it, and carve your name in the back along with your last initial. Also write your name on your piece of cardboard and your class code. Flip your emoji slab over onto the cardboard and work from here. If you need to make the hole bigger in the front, you can do that. Next, you're going to grab your scraps of clay and wedge those. So you're going to roll them into a ball and work out all of those air bubbles. We're going to use pencils as dowels this time so that the slab is thinner. Roll out your scraps and carve them into the desired shape for your additive pieces. You can use a pencil or you can use the popsicle stick for this phase. Keep the scraps, we will recycle them. Grab your emoji slab and set aside your additive pieces. We'll start with the subtractive pieces. Carve in anything that you're going to take away from your clay. Careful not to carve too deep, especially if you're removing a mouth. If you get any little crumbly bits, just wipe them aside. And add them to your recycle pile. In order to add our additive pieces, we need to make sure that we score our piece by scratching up the back of both pieces that we're going to attach, and then using our slip, which is our muddy water, as a glue to adhere one piece to the other. Flip them over and press them in together. Once you have your additive and subtractive elements done, you're going to just check the shape of your piece. If you need to plug the hole, you can do that at this point. Check your name on the back, check your name on the cardboard, and we're going to dip 3 fingers into either a cup of water or slip and smooth all of the edges, removing any cracks in the process. If you notice that during the smoothing any of your subtractive pieces go away, or get muddled a little, you can go back in and recarve them with a pencil or with the popsicle stick. We want to make sure we don't add too much water because that will turn our clay into mud. So I'm just cleaning up those lines one more time before I'm done, and then we will set it aside. When you're washing your hands and cleaning your table, make sure you use baby wipes instead of the sink. We also want to make sure any big chunks make it into the garbage can before we grab the baby wipes. Do not wash your hands directly in the sink with clay all over them because it will plug the sink.